Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I'm your teacher Miss Farzana Ruby. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. Today I will take your online class of chemistry. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, advance me in knowledge. Glory of Almighty Allah, who has created this universe with great wisdom and knowledge, and creator of man is the biggest phenomena of the universe. Allah has given clear-cut instruction to study the mystery of the universe. We find in the Quran for more than 700 times. Allah has named specific elements in the Quran, for example, iron, copper. Iron is one of the elements highlighted in the Quran in Surat Al-Hadid, meaning iron. The iron chapter is in the center of the Quran, just like the iron core in the center of the earth. Quran says, and we sent down the iron in it, there is great strength. Another element which indicated in the Quran is sulfur. The element sulfur is found in high levels in the bodies of living things and the soil. There are 32 letters in Surat Al-Hadid up to the first letter S. That figure is also the atomic mass of the element sulfur. Now, invite Allah into the chemistry of life. He will dilute your sorrows, evaporate your worries, filter your mistakes, and leave you with crystals of happiness. Now, we start a chapter, Introduction to Chemistry, and the topic is chemistry and its importance. Chemistry is the branch of science. Science means knowledge gathered from observations and experiments. Actually, chemistry is the branch which deals with the composition, structure, properties, and changes of matter. Composition means two elements combine and form water. Two parts of hydrogen react with one part of oxygen and form water. This is the composition of water. And when one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen combine, they form carbon dioxide gas. This is the composition of carbon dioxide gas. And when two atoms of oxygen combine, form oxygen gas. So, this is the composition of oxygen gas. And look here, it is the structure of water. Hydrogen combine with oxygen and form water. And the properties of matter means physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties mean do not change what the object is. And in chemical properties, tells you the type of change matter can undergo. For example, apples will oxidize and turn brown if left out in air. So it is a chemical property. It will change the apple to wait for it to brown. And the chemical properties is when two chemicals combine, form different compounds. For example, when methane combine with oxygen gas to form carbon dioxide gas and water. This is the chemical properties called combustion. And the changes of matter mean physical and chemical change. In a physical change, matter changes from but not chemical identify. But in chemical change, a chemical reaction occurs and new products are formed. The example of physical change is ice. Ice is melting, converted solid to liquid, and chopping wood. Is it clear? And in chemical reaction, burning wood, rotting banana, firework, and mixing vinegar and baking soda. When vinegar combined with baking soda, carbon dioxide gas is formed, new product is formed, so it is called chemical change. So chemistry is the study of matter, its properties, how and why substances combine or separate to form other substances, and how substances interact with energy. Did you know, students? Father of early chemistry is Jabir bin Hayyan, and the father of modern chemistry is Robert Boyle. Many people think of chemists as being white-coated scientists, mixing strange liquids in a laboratory. But the truth is, we are all chemists. So, the importance of chemistry in our daily life is chemistry is a big part of our everyday life. We start the day with chemistry. One can find chemistry in daily life, in the food we eat, the air we breathe, cleaning chemicals, our emotions, and literally every object we can see or touch. So, chemistry is the relationship between community, health, environment, medicine, industry, science, teaching, research, and you. In everyday life, chemistry is most important. Chemistry is important because everything you do in chemistry, even your body is made up of chemicals. Chemical reactions occur when you breathe, eat, or just sit there reading. All matter is made of chemicals. So, the importance of chemistry is that it's the study of everything. Now, look at this diagram. In respiration, glucose combined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide gas and water. The process that release energy from food in the presence of oxygen. So, both these are chemical compounds. Did you know, students? Favorite fruit that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to eat? Cucumber, pumpkins, honey, watermelon, dates, chicken, olive oils, milk, meat, etc. All of these things are made a part of chemistry. This chemistry is called food chemistry. Scientists work with chemistry to ingredients in food to improve the quality of food. They study the use of chemical flavors, thickening agents, and apply their knowledge to improve existing food products and develop new ones. Food chemistry is very important. It allows us to understand what happens in food during cooking, processing, storing, and even digestion. Food is made of many chemicals which are responsible for nutrition. Now, chemistry is also important in our body. Most living matter consists of so bulk elements, for example, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur. These are 96% in our body. These elements also constitute the bulk of our diet. 10 of grams per day are required for humans. And sodium, potassium, calcium, zinc present in 4% in our body. We use fluoride compound such as sodium fluorophosphate in our toothpaste to protect and control tooth decay. It is a great benefit of chemistry on society. Chemistry plays an important role towards the development and growth of a number of industries. These industries include leather industries, glass industries, petrochemical industry, and textile industry. We also see huge application of chemistry in industries like paint, pigment, sugar, and plastic. You need to understand basic chemistry so you can understand how vitamin supplements and drugs can help or harm you. Part of the importance of chemistry lies in developing and testing new medical treatments and medicines. Chemistry plays an important role in maintaining proper health for all of us around the globe. Chemistry is valued as diagnostic and treatment tools, for example, toothache, stomachache, headache, and fever. Different elements used in our daily life, we use in different things, for example, jewelry, paint, car batteries, fruits, vegetables, bicycle, and so on. Both of these elements relates to chemistry. So chemistry is very important in our daily life. Is it clear, all of you? Now, this is your assignment. Define chemistry. Write importance of chemistry in society. Jazakallah khair.